Hey guys, how is everybody this evening? This has been a long week. I don't know about you, but so first of all, I want to ask you guys a couple of things. Let me know your thoughts. So, it is almost the end of September. So first of all, if you wanted to get, there's only 2 bundles left. So if you want to get any of those bundles, you're going to want to grab those soon. The Halloween stuff, a bunch of that is still available, but you're going to want to grab that soon too. So keep that in mind. Also, I'm curious. I am tossing around the idea of having a stock sale October sometime. It would depend on how quickly I can pull it together. I do still have some pictures from some of the things that didn't sell. So let me know if you're interested. I didn't know if maybe you guys might be interested in a stock sale to grab some stuff that I have for Christmas and stuff. So let me know what you think. We certainly don't, hey Lisa, we certainly don't have to have a stock sale now. I can hold off and do it at the beginning of the year because I'll be honest with you, I usually do it in January or February, but I was just going through stuff. I had somebody who had asked me what I had in certain prints and stuff, and I thought if you guys want one, we can certainly do it before that. So yeah, let me know. You can comment under here, you can reach out via messenger, whatever. It is something that I'm willing to consider now. Like I said, I usually do a stock sale in January or February, but I'm considering it because, like I said, I wondered if maybe you guys might want to grab some stuff, because the stuff I would be selling are old items that are not currently available or old prints. So it might be a current item, but it's in an old print. So yeah, let me know what you think. So tonight I thought we'd talk about laundry. Why? Because I'll be honest with you, it is my least favorite chore, because I feel like the minute I'm done, somebody throws another pair of dirty shirt or something in there, and it's like it never goes away. So laundry has never been my favorite. Not that I love doing chores, but you know what I mean. And so I thought about something. I talked tonight about some things I do in my house with 31, and I'll give you some tips, non-31 tips to go with it, to try and keep the laundry in order, at least, since it's got to get done eventually, right? So I will tell you one of the items. I don't have it, but I have one of the items similar to it, so I'll tell you the differences. So we're going to start with the stand tall bin, and this is an older print. I'm going to tell you that now, although this is a brand new one. It was in the bag. It's in my stock. And these stand tall print bins, here, I'll let you see how tall it is. I am 5'1". I don't know that helps, but you can kind of see how big it is. But it's a good size for laundry. One of the things I love about it is it has these handles. My oldest has one that she uses at college, but we'll be getting my youngest one for her to take to college because with the handles it's perfect. The other thing that's really nice is if you can see these kind of corners here, this is Velcro and this has a stick in it. So you put the 4 sticks in there to make it stand up on its own. However, when you want to put it away for storage, say because the college kid's not using it during the summer, you can pull those sticks out and collapse it. So I love things like that, where if you're not going to use it, you can store it and then you just pop it up when you need it. It is currently available, and again, this is an old print, but it's currently available in 3 different prints, and it's $48. Now, a new bag that is similar to this with a few additional things is the Move It All bag. Now, I don't have that one yet. I will soon. But it comes in 2 prints. Now, the difference between the stand tall bin and the Move It All bag is it's about the same height and width and everything, but the top has a cinch top, so it comes together and you cinch it with string at the top, like you would like a cinch sack or something like that. And it's, instead of having these kind of straps, it has straps on the back that make it a backpack, and they are adjustable. So that obviously would be really good for college kids because they can throw it on their back to take to the laundry room. because I know a lot of them have to do quite a hike. But also for any of you who maybe don't have your own washer and dryer, or just have to take it to another level of the house, or another room for that matter, it's a nice perk. But yeah, that is the Move It All bag, and it's available in 2 prints, and it's also $48. Okay. Now, the next one is our large utility tote. Most of you guys are probably familiar with the large utility tote. But I thought, because tonight I will tell you that, we're primarily talking dirty laundry tonight. That sounds funny, doesn't it? But the large utility tote, this is one of my Christmas ones. I just grabbed one because I didn't figure the print mattered so much. But the large utility tote is good for multiple things when it comes to laundry. I have one in my linen closet that holds hand towels and washcloths and towels and that sort of thing to keep them organized and on the shelf. So you can use it for that, for the clean stuff. But for the dirty stuff, it's great for sorting. That's my favorite way to use the large utility tote for dirty laundry. So whether you have shelves in your laundry room, or if you sort wherever you sort your laundry, I have shelves. We actually put shelves up behind my washer and dryer. So I have you can put them there, and so one can be your lights, one can be your darks and stuff. And so the large utility tote works great for that, because then you can line them up there. I know people that will get different prints of the large utility totes, and so like colors is maybe a bright red, or we don't currently have a bright color, but a bright colored print, and maybe blacks is our charcoal crosshatch, various different prints. And so by doing that, kind of helps them sort it, if that makes sense. And you can, of course, personalize it on the side if you wanted to. There are 19 prints for the large utility tote. So lots of options there, because like I said, if you want to print it, or if you're like me, I'll be honest with you, I like to have consistency. If it's in my linen closet, if it's in, I like to have the same print. It's just me. I'm a little OCD, I'll be honest. When it comes to stuff like that, it's just my thing. But I can understand trying to, maybe if you're trying to teach kids to do laundry, that might be a good way to do it. This kind of laundry goes in this color of large utility tote, and so on, etc. So, but again, 19 different prints to choose from. So lots of choices, and they're $38. Now the last one I'm going to tell you is more of an on-the-go dirty laundry, okay? This is actually a thermal. This is, again, an old print of it, but it's come back, this catalog. It was gone, it came back. It's called the Quick Cinch Thermal, okay? Now there's several things that are great about this. It does have a pocket in the front, okay? It has a cinch on the top. It's a thermal, which means this particular one is not leak lock, but it is water resistant. It rolls up for storage, so this one, you just fold it in the handles, rolls up like this, and there's this strap that is elastic and Velcro, and it rolls up. So this is great for laundry on the go. Whether it's, say, wet stuff, because again, water resistant on the inside. So if you're swimming, if you're on vacation, what have you, if you're camping, Lisa, this is good for like an on-the-go laundry, because it's not very big. It's about the size of a paper grocery bag. So it's not massive. But if you're just trying to get dirty stuff from here to there, like I said, the water resistant, if things are damp or wet, it helps with that. And with the handles and such, and then, like I said, you roll it up, and it's easy for storage. I keep this in my trunk. I use it for groceries, I use it for dirty stuff, I use it for all kinds of stuff, but how nice is that? It takes up almost no room, then when you need it, you've got it. It comes, again, this is an old print. This is a well-loved one. Like I said, this is the one I keep in my car, but it's called the Quick Cinch Thermal. It's available currently in 2 other prints, not this one, and it's $38. So But that's more of an on-the-go dirty laundry thing. So hopefully that gives you some ideas. Certainly a large utility tote would make a great on-the-go. I know some people who use the large utility tote to pack when they go on vacation or whatever, and they'll use multiples, like one per person or whatever, and then one of those, once they get there, becomes the dirty laundry tote, so that they can carry it to wash things and stuff. So really versatile, kind of a nice way if you've got to do laundry, which we all do. Again, least favorite a chore, I'm telling you. It makes a great way to at least try and keep that in order and get things done. Because, yeah, if you got to do it, you might as well do it in style, right? So, all right, let me know, guys, if you're interested in a stock sale this fall. Because, like I said, I usually would do it at the beginning of the year, but if you guys are interested now, we can certainly look into that. And if you have any questions about dirty laundry or anything else, let me know, and have a great evening and a great weekend. I'm gonna go see my oldest girl. She's home from college for the first time in 6 weeks, so we get to see her this weekend. So have a great evening, guys. Bye.